Many of us are spending much more time at home recently. Whether you're working remotely or participating in distance learning, you can adjust to this new lifestyle and also save money while at home. If you need a little extra help financially, or you just need cash fast to handle an emergency or other unexpected expenses, a signature installment loan is something to consider. Here are 5 helpful tips to improve your financial situation. 1. Cancel subscriptions and memberships you don't need. If you are subscribed to a bunch of online services, now's the time to clean up the list. Keep your most watched streaming service or 2 and drop the rest. You'll be surprised how much you can save once you cancel those unused subscriptions. 2. Cook at home. Cooking at home can really help you save money and eat healthier too. You can even make it fun. If you have children, you can make fun, kid-appropriate recipes with them. Or even have a date night with your significant other and make a healthy meal together. 3. Adjust your AC. Since your electric bill is a recurring at-home expense, if you cut back, then it will save you money both now and in the future. There are a few ways you can maximize your savings. Keep it on. As surprising as it sounds, it's more efficient to keep your AC on continually during the day. Turning it off and back on again can cause electrical spikes, and your cooling system will have to work harder to cool off the room. Turn up the temperature. Even just a couple of degrees can make a big difference. Over 8 hours, raising your thermostat 2 degrees can save you over 14% of the temperature control cost. 4. Clip digital coupons. There is an art to clipping coupons to save the most money possible. Get the best deals by combining the digital coupons you can find on smartphone apps with online store coupons and coupons from the product manufacturer. 5. Apply for a signature installment loan. If you need to get money fast to deal with an emergency or other important expense, you may want to apply for a signature installment loan. This type of loan is quick and easy, and you can get money as soon as the same day. All you need is a state-issued ID or driver's license to prove you're over 18, a checking account statement open in your name, and your most recent pay stub as proof of income, or an alternative proof of income. Ask our loan representatives for more information. Log on to our website and fill out the free online form, or give us a call to get started. Soon, you will be on your way to receiving the fast cash you need today.